Hi guys. Today what we're going to do is work on a scout rank requirement number 4A. It says show how to tie a square knot, 2 half hitches, and a taut line hitch. Explain how each knot is used. So the first one is a square knot. Square knot basically is to tie 2 ropes together. I have a bunch of ropes here. Why would you need to tie 2 ropes together? If you're at camp and you want to make a long rope for an axe yard, or if there's someone in the lake and they're drowning and you have to throw them a rope, you only have small ropes, you want to be able to do this and do it quickly. It's very easy. You take 2 ropes, the ends, right, left, right, under, left, and over. Then you go right, under, left, and through. And that makes that. Nope. Right, over, left, right, under, left, and through. And that makes that right there. Okay? Very easy. When you pull it tight, makes the rope longer. Do it again. Right, over, left, and then under. Right, under, left, and then go through. Okay? One more time. Right, over, left, and under. Right, under, left, and through. Okay, so now what I wind up with one rope. Okay, like I said, if there's someone in the water and you want to throw them a line, now it's long enough. But if you wanted to tie one end around the tree, run it around, you have to make an axe yard, now your rope is long enough. Okay, so basically it's just tie different ropes together. Now if the rope is different sizes, you can still do it. They come apart very easily. You just pull it, come apart. So you can go back to your single ropes later on if you want. So if you're making different size ropes, it's easy to do. That's the square knot. Next one is the 2 half hitch. Now, the 2 half hitch is used to tie 2 things, such as you have a tarp, you're going to hang the tarp, so you have a grommet. You put this through the grommet, the rope through the grommet, and tie your knot. I'm going to use our lashing gadget that we made. Now it doesn't matter if you go over, under, however you do it, as long as you do everything the same twice. Okay? So I'm going to go over. Now I'm going to take my rope, I'm going to go over and through. Okay? Now I'm going to go over again and through. And then I'm just going to pull it tight. And as you see, I have 2 loops and a tie back there. Now that would be on your grommet, on your tarp, and that's nice and tight. That's not going anywhere. All right, I'll show it to you again. Okay, so this time I'm going to go that way. And I'm going to go under and through. Okay, and then I'm going to go under and through again. And I'm just going to pull it tight. And there are your 2 loops. So it doesn't matter which way you go, under or over, as long as you do it the same both times. And that's your knot. Okay, so that would be on your tarp. Now the other end would be on the ground, on a stake, on another tree, any place, because you want to hold the tarp to something. I'm going to use the second camp gadget to do that, to show you that one. very similar. The two knots are very similar. This has 2 loops, this has 3. So we're going to go over. So make believe this was a tree that we were tying to. So you're going to go over. I'm going to go over and through. Now I'm going to do it again exactly the same. I'm not going to, for the 2 half hitch, I crossed and did it on the left side. I'm going to do it on the right side again. I'm going to go over and through. So I have 2 exactly the same loops. Okay? Now I'm going to go on the left side, and I'm going to go over and through. So there are my 3 loops. There's my cross going over, and you just have to pull it tight. So that's my 3 loops. So now this moves. It slides. So that if this was the tarp over here, and that was the tree, it's nice and tight. If you pull on, this side, it makes that shorter, and it tightens it up. So it's nice and tight, except my knot came off. Okay. Now the other thing you could use this for is that if you're doing clothesline, you could do the 2 half hitch on one side and the taut line on the other side. And sometimes in the rain, the rope bends, or you hang clothes on, the rope bends. Now you have a way of making it tighter. You just pull on this, and it makes it nice and tight again. So there are a lot of uses for that. Okay? Hope that helped. Work on it. The other thing is, if you haven't whipped and fused your ropes, you should do that also. Very good. Thanks, guys.